Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English Grammar for ESL students. In this video, we are going to discuss about the commonly confused words confident and confidant. What do you mean by confident, C-O-N-F-I-D-E-N-T, and what is the meaning for confidant, C-O-N-F-I-D-A-N-T or C-O-N-F-I-D-A-N-T-E? In this video, we are going to learn the meaning and the usage of confident and confidant. First, confident. Confident is an adjective. Adjective means the word that describes a noun is called as adjective. What is a noun? Noun is the names of animals, place, things and persons. That is called a noun. The word that describes a noun is called as adjective. So, confident is an adjective. What does it mean? Feeling or showing that you are sure about your own ability. That is called confident. Or, if a person or their manner is confident, they feel sure about their own abilities, qualities or ideas. So, the synonyms for confident is certain or sure. Here is an example for confident. She is a confident woman who is certain of her views. She is a confident woman who is certain of her views. Number 2. She walked confidently across the hall. She walked confidently across the hall. Next word is confidant. C-O-N-F-I-D-A-N-T-E, confidant. What does it mean? See, a person you trust and share your feelings and secrets with. That person is called as confidant. A person with whom one shares a secret or private matter, trusting them not to repeat it to others. That person is called as confidant. So, the synonym for confidant are close friend and companion. Only with your close friends or your companions you can share your secrets and your feelings. That person is called confident. Look at the example sentence for confidant. Her brother is her close confidant. In this video, we have discussed about the words confident and confidant. I hope this video is useful for you. If you find this video is informative, please like, share and subscribe.